Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami scorpion. So the first step is to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Next, unfold your paper and do the same thing the other way. Now unfold and turn your paper over and fold it diagonally. Now do the same thing the other way again. Now you're gonna unfold it and pop the middle and grab this edge right here like this, and you're gonna push it in like this. And now do the same thing to the other side like this, and now flatten the paper and it makes a diamond. Now the next step is to fold this edge. You have to find the edge with all of the flaps in it and fold this edge to the middle crease right here like this. Now turn your paper over and do the same thing to this side. Now unfold these two flaps and fold this corner down so that it meets with these two creases right here, like this. Now unfold that flap and you're gonna grab this top flap right here and put your thumb behind this crease right here, and you're gonna fold it up like this. And then it'll look like this. Now you flatten it and it'll make a diamond. Like this. Now turn your paper over, unfold these two flaps, and fold this edge as far down as it'll go, like this. And now unfold it, and grab the top flap again, and you're gonna fold it up like this. And make a diamond on this side too. So your paper should look like this. Now, grab this flap right here, and fold this edge to the middle, like this. And do the same thing to this side. Now turn your paper over and do the same thing. Now, you're gonna take this flap right here and you're gonna bend it inside of that like this. And fold this flap down to right here, like this. Now, grab right here on your paper and fold this flap down again like this, so it looks like this. And now, fold it up one more time like this. And now you can tuck this point in right here. So it looks like this. Now do the same thing to the other side, like this. Now, you're going to unfold this flap, and you're going to fold it all the way to the tip, like this. Make sure you do that with both flaps. Now, unfold your paper and fold this corner to that fold we just made. Now, unfold that and fold the one we just made before this, and I'll fold it back a little bit, like this. And now, fold that corner down where the crease is already, and do the same thing, like this. And then you can do it one more time if you want. So it looks like this. Now, bend your paper and bend the tail a little bit. And if you want these to go forward, which some people like more, you can undo that fold. But if you like it backwards, you can leave it like that. And yeah, so that's how you make an origami scorpion. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. And yeah, so bye.